Hello, so pite ho la bon chavin ni ku pa chi be ken bolin tuni ni kwa hi WhatsApp la social media la yogam sunga thil su la yung agim nei loi akidang loi ta ha rei ta en ina mu kha ta du jong ka ging cha en chuting long le muntina su pi u le naw amu khanai lo chuting long le gamdang chum ma sap kang te ho koi ho het din jong ka post num en ka sa num en cha chu English pau thim hi yang nang le kha mi ki ji do sa chu theina kham khama ken tho de hin tin ji da wan thu chu hi en tu hin chi chu hin simpan tang ka te. Hello guys, today I would like to take about or show you guys the so-called dragon. Some community or some religion worships and consider it as their god. Dragon, which we all are familiar with the name, only see it in movies with some power, but in reality we don't even it really exists or not. Even in a very developed country, I never noticed it. Is it sorry if I'm wrong? Some consider it as God and worship even in our Christian Bible. It's mentioned with some great power. Consider it even as Satan. Something really wonder is here in India, Manipur, where in the Kuki's domino area. The so-called dragon from nowhere it's appear in our locality. This is really wonderful, and it can be a part of the wonder of the world. With the help of this channel, would like to share with you and I strongly believe that this will the first time in the world, if I'm not mistaken. To keep yourself updated, let's help each other by subscribing our channel, like and comment. Thank you.